All right, gang. You see, we're out here. We having a little drone party, man. The little ones out here, they got these little drones that we caught from Walmart, 1999. But anyway, we got about to get into this unboxing, guys. We got this brand new Mavic Air 2 right here. We're gonna get this thing unboxed, see what's inside, and we're gonna go from there, gang. So it's your boy C-Spec Kurt. Thanks for tuning in. You are about to watch the unboxing of the Mavic Air 2. Ready to unbox this baby, run through a few specs of it, and just let you see what comes with the Fly More combo. All right, that's what we got going on here. We got the Fly More combo kit. About to get this baby unboxed up out of here. So let's get to it. Okay. All right. So first of all, this box is not light. You can tell it packs some content in this box. So let's start off with a little bitty butter knife and crack this stuff right on open. So. And just so you know, before I bought this, I actually purchased a new DJI Mavic Mini, and I came online and did some research, realized that the Mavic Mini doesn't have the only tracking that the Mavic Mini has is pre-programmed tracking. It doesn't have actual live tracking of a target. And I felt like that was something that I needed with a drone if I was gonna make a purchase. And for the Mavic Mini at a price tag of $499 for the Fly More combo pack, $370 something, I believe, for the standard one. Why not pay a few bucks more and just get the one that I really want and go about it that way? So that's what I did. I just kept it, returned it back to the store, and swapped it out for this one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this baby unboxed and just go through some of the specs on it. I'm just gonna go from there. All right, check it out, gang. We got the Mavic 2 right here. Actually, Mavic Air 2 Fly More combo pack. And as you can see, the top is coming off. There we go right there. All right, gang, so we're gonna pop this baby out here. As you can see, it comes in a nice little bag right here. It's like a camera bag. This bag is pretty much for you to keep your drone in and all the contents that it comes with. And at the bottom of the box, you have this little holder here, which we're gonna pop open now and see what's in there. All right, so. All right, so the first things first, guys, what we got here is looks like we got some manuals and whatnot. Let's see. This is a quick start guide. You got your quick start guide. You got some spare propellers right there, and you got some more spare propellers right here. So you pretty much got a gang of propellers right here. I'm pretty sure that they're different colors. What? One is indicated by yellow and the other is indicated by blue. All right, gang, so we got the box right here. Well, actually the bag right here. Got a little tag here, just a DJI tag, nothing special. Whole bunch of different languages, some stuff I don't understand, man. But, all right, so let's unzip this baby right here. Let's see what's up with it. Awesome job with the bag. Let's unfold this thing. The Best Buy protection plan for this drone is 300 bucks, guys. I'm talking like almost half price. Pretty much is half price of the drone to get protection plan for the drone through Best Buy. All right, so we have our drone right here. All right, there we go. Boom, yeah, booyah. Boom. These legs in the back fold out like so. There we go. And these right here, they're there to protect the location of the propeller, where the propellers go. So let's set this out the way and continue to dig into this box. Well, this bag. All right, gang, so we got our drone sitting here. We have our controller right here. Let's go ahead and pop it open so you can get a good look at it. All right, very nice looking controller, guys. Nice feeling for the hand. It's got a grippy material right here in the back, which is gonna make for a real good experience as far as holding this controller, I must say. All right, you got your tripod mode, normal mode, and sport mode. Tripod mode is gonna give you that real smooth gimbal look when you have your drone in flight. And normal mode is gonna be normal pretty much, and sport mode is gonna be when you want some high speed maneuvering. You want this drone to get from point A to B in a jiffy, okay? So let's sit that over there. Let's set this over here. What else we got in this box? All right, so this right here gotta be the batteries. Let's see. All right, so we got our battery here. That's one battery. Two batteries. This is some extra stuff here you get with the Fly More combo pack, guys. You got 2 additional batteries. You have your charger right here. And that's all in that box right there. Let's sit that out the way. Let's get this other stuff out of the way as well.
You're not going to put those before the dirty. Don't you put nothing in there. I mean it.
All right. Let's see. Last but not least, this is what we have in here. I'm not sure what this is, guys. Let's see what it is. All right, guys. I don't know what this is right here. Let's see. Oh, this is your battery charging hub for your spare batteries. So it pretty much sits like so. Booyah. That's also an addition with the Fly More combo pack, which is going to allow you to just throw all those batteries on at one time and get a real nice charge out of them. So I'm going to sit it like so. Let's see. There you go. Goes just like that. 3 batteries, you can plug in your charger right here like so. Voila. And now you can fast charge all of your batteries. Not sure on the charging time of these batteries, but I'm sure it doesn't take that long. So I'll get this out of the way. Let's see what else is in here. All right, guys, that looked like about everything that comes with this drone. So pretty much.
Oh, what's up, gang? It's your boy C-Spec, man. I forgot to mention, man, a couple other things that came with the drone that I didn't include in the unboxing video. Yes. That I didn't include in the unboxing video is we got about 3 different ND filters that also came with it. As you can see right here. Let's get this out of the way. These are the ND filters right here, guys. It's going to allow you to get that very nice footage when you're out there in real sunny environments and whatnot. So you got 3 different ND filters: ND 16, 64, and 256. So just wanted to make sure I come back and let you know about that. And also it comes with a power, what do you call this thing again? This is your power bank adapter. This right here allows you to just plug it onto one of the batteries. Like you had a battery right here, you just pop this baby on there like so, and now you can charge up stuff. You can plug it, you can plug up your remote control or whatever, and you got power banks out of the extra batteries you got. All right, so I just wanted to bring that to you. This right here is our charger, just sitting here waiting to get plugged up so that we can get some power to the rest of these batteries, guys. So currently right now I got the charger plugged directly into one, but you can plug it into this one on the side and it'll charge them individually in sequence. It won't charge them all at the same time. You hit the indicator like this to this little indicator here, you hit that one time, it lets you know how much power it's in the batteries. So that's how that works right there.
Oh hell!
I popped Isaiah.
Why you hitting him?
You don't have a display. You have the ability to mount your cell phone up here at the top. So as you can see, you have these little divots right here at the top of the controller. You pull this up, your cell phone should fit right up in there like so. I have the brand new the brand new Galaxy Note 20. So let's just give this a shot here. You just stick it in there like so. And it is definitely capable of handling the width of this phone with the case. So you shouldn't have any problems with whatever smartphone you have, being that Samsung is the leading smartphone right now as far as size and everything. I'm pretty sure any phone you got will get up in here, no problem. All right, so that's what it looks like with the Note 20 sitting in this remote. I have it all set so I don't hit my power buttons or whatnot, but it also comes with some cables, which I don't see. Okay, the cables are in here, guys. Don't forget this compartment right in here. Unzip that. And you have your, like a spare, like batteries or whatnot for the remote. And you have your USB-C cable right here, which is what we're gonna need to go from the remote control to the cell phone, okay? So hopefully you're using the phone with a USB-C port, but if not, it also comes with some additional wires to make your connection possible. You have the traditional USB, the mini USB right there, and you have your USB-C to USB-C port also, all right? Let's see, so we should be good to go, but keep in mind that's at the top of the bag, so yeah. Now let's run through some specs of this phone, I'm sorry, of this drone, guys, and just give you a quick idea of the capabilities of it. We're not going to get any flight time in today, but we're definitely going to get a little quick understanding of what you get for your money and what it's capable of doing, okay? All right. Well, first of all, this here is the cover for your drone. This is just for shipping and putting it in a box. It's definitely, you definitely don't want to leave this on the drone while it's flying because it's not needed. It says, please, it says press the notch to remove the gimbal protector before turning on the power. So yeah, this is definitely just to protect the gimbal prior to flight for shipping purposes or whatnot, okay? So let's just run through some specs though, man. All right, a few things about this Mavic Air 2 is it has a 1/2-inch image sensor, shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. That's your video footage. You also have the ability to shoot 48 megapixel photos with this here very capable camera. All right, it has enhanced HDR. That's going to give you that high definition resolution, guys, when you're shooting those photos or capturing that awesome footage when you're flying. It has a longest flight capability right now as far as the drones from DJI that's consumer ready, which is 34 minutes max flight time, 240-minute max RC battery life. Awesome, guys. I mean, that's freaking awesome. Fly smarter and safer, has APAS 3.0 obstacle avoidance system. So it's going to keep you out of danger, you know, by keeping your drone alert of what's around it, okay? You have your sensors all around it. You got one in this corner here. You have one at this corner here. One at this corner here. You have your vision system up here in the front. And you also have your sensors down here at the bottom, as well as this sensor as well. So it's gonna be pretty much looking out at all times, guys. So let's keep.
That's your drone?
Yeah.
Can we fly it?
Not yet. Let me finish. Y'all go out there and play. All right, guys. So let's see what else we got here. All right, some other capabilities of this thing is, like I say, 48 megapixel photo, 10-kilometer 1080p video transmission. Keep in mind it shoots 4K at 60 frames per second, but as far as transmitting the video footage from the drone, it's going to transmit at 1080 pixels video transmission at up to 10 kilometer, guys. That's a pretty nice distance. It has a capability of shooting 8K hyperlapse video. It has focus track, which is going to track you. You know, it's going to lock onto you and track your vehicle, or you personally, or whoever else is being recorded on the drone. It's going to give you that capability, guys. So it has by default dynamic HDR video, which is going to give you, which is made possible through a quad Bayer image sensor. 4 layers. A single frame separates exposure levels in different areas, accurately capturing light, dark details. Images are layered to create a colorful, balanced, eye-catching picture with a higher dynamic range than you could expect normally from a drone. All right, so you do have the capability of turning that function on and off, but why would you want to turn it off, guys? I mean, more is better. You got a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor. I mean, it captures the most impressive 48 megapixel photos you could ask for. And this is just based on my research, guys, of the drone and whatnot. You're gonna be able to zoom in, capture those photos and zoom in and post that stuff and just have a good old time with this thing, guys. All right, so you got a pretty wide angle that you can capture as far as panorama. It offers pretty much the most advanced mode of panorama that DJI has to offer right now. Yeah, the dynamic range is extremely high. The colors are a lot more vivid, a lot more accurate. It's going to just do so much more, guys. I mean, just so much more to go through. I mean, I advise you to go to the DJI site, man, and just get on here and check out what they got to say about the drone. I mean, it's just an awesome drone. I can't wait to get this thing flight ready so that we can continue from there. But at this moment, I just want to bring this unboxing to you so that you can see what I'm raving about, man, what I'm so excited about doing. I'm ready to fly this thing. I'm ready to capture some awesome footage. Just get this thing in the air and have some good old fun with it. But in the meantime, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt. We just did the unboxing of the Mavic Air 2 Fly More Combo Pack. Everything you need to get started and everything you need to keep you in the air so that you can have a good old time with your drone. Please stay tuned though, man. We're gonna have more to come. I'm gonna try to capture as much as I can, share that stuff with you guys, keep you in the loop. But if you could support me, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna keep it coming, whether it's electronic reviews, some automotive technology stuff, or whatever I do. You see what I do. Check me out right here. I got playlists, I got vehicles. I'm always trying to do something, man. Trying to keep you people entertained. You know, love you guys, man. I love you guys, man. Hey, this is your boy C-Spec Kurt. And again, appreciate the view. Have an awesome day. Peace.